the last video on the unit circle, and this is going to be putting in the radian measure. So I want to give you a shortcut, which I believe is going to help you to do it really fast, and it takes zero memorization to do this. So what I want to write down is just pi over 6 equals 30 degrees, and pi over 4 is 45 degrees. Now, here's how we're going to do this fast and easy and simply. So 0 to 30 is pi over 6. Another 30 degrees, 2 pi over 6, and this is reduced. 30 degrees more, 3 pi over 6, and this is reduced. 30 degrees more, 4 pi over 6. Okay, and I think you get the picture. So let's do that for every angle. 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7. Ooh, I am coming off the screen here. Hold on. Let's try and come back. Okay. So we went 5 pi over 6 and then 6 pi over 6. So right here at 210 degrees, I'm going to call that 7 pi over 6. And then 8 pi over 6. This will be 9 pi over 6. Zoom in just a bit more here. 10 pi over 6. And 11 pi over 6. Okay. So not all these fractions are reduced all the way. So I'm going to just really zoom in on these and just simplify. So this will be 2 pi over 3. This is 5 pi over 6 is simplified. The 6 pi over 6 is not simplified. So let's need to just to zoom in to get this. This is pi, and then 7 pi over 6 is simplified. 8 pi over 6, no. So I'm going to zoom into that, and that is going to be 4 pi over 3. Okay, 9 pi over 6, not simplified. That becomes 3 pi over 2. 10 pi over 6 is not simplified, so that's going to become 5 pi over 3. And then 11 pi over 6 is simplified. Okay, so we've covered every single one of these that move in multiples of 30. So the last thing we want to do is multiples of 45. So pi over 4 is 45 degrees. All right. Pi over 4 is 45 degrees. So we go 0, 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, and here this becomes 3 pi over 4. So let's pull it down. 3 pi over 4. And luckily that's fully simplified, so nothing to do there. 3 pi over 4, go to 4 pi over 4. This right here would be 5 pi over 4. It's going to come off the screen just a little bit, but I think we got space to put it in. 5 pi over 4. All right, 5 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4, we've already done that, and there's just one more, so this will be 7 pi over 4. Okay, so let's just recap. We have done every single thing for our unit circle. We've got all the x and y coordinates filled in. We have all the radian measures filled in, and of course the degrees were there already. So what I want to do is, if there's anything you don't have filled in, you can just look through right here. I'm trying to zoom everything as much as I can zoom. So you can see there quadrant 2 and 3. Okay, and then we'll come over to quadrant 4. I can come in a bit more from there. Okay, so you should be able to have it all filled out at this point. And once you have it filled out, just hold on to it, because it's going to be used in the next video. And the knowledge of this circle, you can answer any trig function, any of the 6 functions for any of these angles, and you don't need to memorize any particular tables. So we're going to be using this circle that you've created. We're going to be using it in the next example, or in the next video, I should say.